DEO dear. Things can change in a minute, my father said. Figure out who yourself is.